Yeah. Okay. So, the chat will be a little slow today. So I don't go anywhere, bro. What do you mean, don't go anywhere? Anyway, Noman. So, the agenda of this live stream would be to create a simple GST application. There is an application on this phone right here that I will be taking reference from, which I don't feel comfortable taking the name of. Maybe I'll get hit with a legal notice or whatever that you are simply simply trying to copy our app. So the app shall remain unnamed, and this is what we are going to do today. I have named it simple GST app, and the description for the GitHub link is in the description box. You can find it. It is empty right now, but after this live stream, you can hope to find some code there, and you can go in. Yeah, this is the one, and you can go in and you can like take it. Voice is a bit little low. First of all, why do I get this? Is my voice volume fine, everybody? Maybe it's only for Maz Sheikh. What's up, bro? Hey, Ashish. Could you guys let me know if my voice volume is fine? Yeah, voice is fine. Okay. Maybe increase your volume, Maz. Okay, thanks, Kirti. Welcome back. So, what is the tech stack that this will be built on? Now, this will be only a backend API project on my end. Now, I hope that from this API project, which will be provided with a Postman API collection, you would be able to install the application in your local host and take this Postman API collection that I will provide with it, and you would be able to create your own front end with it. So I know that there are backend people in my audience, but there is also front end people as well. So whether you want to choose React, whether you want to choose HTML, CSS, whether you want to choose Vue.js, React Native, anything, even an Android app you can create through these APIs. I will make sure that the API structure will be uniform all across the board so that it's not an issue for you. And yeah, let's begin. So the tech stack, it would be Express.js with MySQL, and to manage MySQL, I will use SQLize library that is provided with MySQL for Express.js. After that, the authentication would be managed by Passport, which is very standard. Yeah, Passport.js. So it will be like a token-based authorization, token-based auth. You know, like how you pass in authorization bearer, like bearer token. I should say bearer token. Bearer token based auth, and after that, some additional things that I would need. It would be role management. So sign up process would be standardized, simple email verification, and after that, some miscellaneous things that I would need. Sorry, is roles and permissions management. And for the project structure, I will be following migrations and seeders so that we can feed in the database with some predefined data so we can get up and running very quickly. Check out Is It Worth Project AI. What are you nerds doing tonight? So we are building a GST app, Colin. Yeah, this is the project structure that we are going to be following, and let me Yeah, a little bit smaller would be nice. So Postman API collection provided, backend API project, yeah, this would be, and yeah, let's begin. So I already created, 1 second, let me put this away. What is this, Abhijit? Sounds fine to me. Hey Devjit, hey Anirban, you want me to make your FE now? Sid, you dog. The reason I want you guys to create the front end is because if I give you the backend API, then this will enable you to create your own front end, and along with it an Android app or an iOS app. So everybody like would be able to consume these APIs. Yeah. So here we go. Harkirat stream. Sure. Um, Check out, is it worth project AI in, what are you saying here, Kirti? So, okay, anyway, let's begin. So, this would be npm init. Or is it not npm init? Yeah, it is, it is. Project name, package name, okay, simple GST apps fine, version 1 is fine, description, created as a backend project on live stream. Entry point, I would name it server.js. I don't like the idea of naming index.js. Test command, nothing. Git repository. Should I put that in? Yeah, let's, yeah. I'll put that later. Fine. Keywords, let's just put GST. It's fine. Author, Sid the IT guy. Oops, made a mistake. Fine. Description, created as a backend project on live stream. Server.js, nothing, nothing, nothing. Set the IT guy. Boom. Yes. Okay, done. So now let me run npm install. Up to date, 0 vulnerabilities. So now let me do npm I express and express generator. I have thought Dhanda or sales track. Okay, this is a nice name, Numan. Yeah, I'll do it. A tech lead could never pull this. Express generator done. npm I body parser. Oh, body parser. Okay. Npm I express session. Npm I sequelize. Session. Okay. Npm express. Oh, sorry. Let me search this command. 1 second. Express generator create an express app. So npx express generator, fine. Hey Zafender, okay, so let me do view equals EJS. Actually, that doesn't matter because why would I care about the view side of it? But let's still keep it EJS. Destination is not empty. Continue. Sure. Run the app. Set debug equal to simple GST and npm start. Npm install. Oh, maybe it works that way. Okay, fine. So now let me open up Windows terminal. Mm, yeah, much better. Simple GST app and sorry, vim package.json. Oh, this is not it. Is it NEOVIM package.json? Shoot. What was it? LinkedIn is dead. You dog. Why are you building it in Node? Wait, are you a Node dev? Yeah, yeah. I'm a PHP and Laravel NeoVim command. I already forgot it. NeoVim open file. NVim. Oh, shit. NVim package.json. Oh, there is nothing here. Oh, there is. There is. Um, simple GST app. Da 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 da. Okay, fine. So let me open up ls. Public routes views. App.js. Did it completely replace whatever I had? So nvim app.js. Oh, nice. So it's already here. Index router, this. App equals express. App logger dev, express JSON, extended false, cookie parser, users router. Okay, nice. Oh, nice. So, where do we start? So first of all, let me create SQLize migrations. So I would do, and okay, 1 second. SQLize create migrations. So npm install save dev SQLize CLI. I'm not gonna use save dev flag. So npx I SQLize CLI. Npm install SQLize CLI. There's a lot of backends that don't use Node Package Manager. What is this NeoVim? Yes, NVim file name. Yeah, thanks, Winit. Maybe NVim. Hi, coding today. I'm trying this Petty Laravel data package and it solves a lot of nuisances and repeated codes. Yes, it is. It's npm, right? You don't use npx. No, there is confusion between npx and npm so many times. Okay. After that, and see npx SQLize CLI init. Unable to resolve a SQLize package. npm SQLize CLI init. Why would you not use the save dev flag for a build package? Because I don't, simply. What? Unable to resolve package. See, this guy is using -G. He is installing global level. At least I'm not, yeah. In SQLite CLI package JSON file, SQLite mentioned a dependency, dev dependency, which means it does not install when you do npm install SQLite CLI. Mega CLI install SQLite itself. npm install save SQLite. Okay, let's try this. You are hurting me in my heart. It's alright, man. It's alright. Come on, run this time, please. Install SQLite first in global. Okay, thanks, Ashish. Okay, so it created some things right here. Successfully created migrations, seeders. Yeah, nice. So let's create some models. So the models would be, of course, models. Obviously, there would be a user model because obviously it has to be. This will have simple column types like ID, email, password, and ID, email, password. So let's say status, let's say active, and let's say customer ID, because yeah, I forgot this. I forgot to mention this. Miscellaneous packages, we will have payment processor as Molly. Payment processor Molly. The reason I am picking Molly is because Stripe doesn't allow Indians to create accounts. Stripe has, you know, thrown India out of its whitelist, whatever it is. Molly. So this is the payment processor. It looks and feels somewhat the same as Stripe, and the handler for, you know, yeah, somewhat looks the same. So we are gonna use this. Sign up. Okay. Siddharth Chaudhary. Oops, I can't click this button, otherwise you would see what my password is. But refrain from using it in your password. Our system detected something odd. We redirected into a different page to double check. Let's save it. Finishing the challenge. You will try to fill the form again. Does it know that I am live streaming right now? Check your inbox. Boom. Continue. Dashboard. Stay signed in. Why do I feel like you are new to this? No, I'm not new to this. This is how it usually looks like. India. Molly has restrictions for processing payments for merchants located in countries outside the EU, EEA, or UK. What is up with any payment processor, man? Let's say Sid, the IT guy, legal form, other entity, registration number optional, address Jharkhand, India, postal code I don't really know, so 45002, let's say, city Havda. Who cares? I will put West Bengal, India. Please don't crash. Please don't crash. If this is just a backend project for now and you're planning to host it separately from front end as well, do make a ping API controller which shows a version number of current code for easier access. Yeah, sure, why not? Razorpay, I have worked with Razorpay. I don't really like it. I don't know. I worked with Molly once and I liked it far better. Maybe it's easier, like it has good, but then again, Razorpay has it as well. Good API integration. But I like Molly better. Yeah. You can change it if you want. Cut a branch from it, use Stripe, use Razorpay, whatever you want. I will make sure to write the payment related code in a single file so that you can change the reference and now it uses Razorpay instead of Molly. Payment processors basically try to claim everything. Everything is to fight this or that bad thing they don't actually care about, while knowing they are actively making it worse so they can avoid competition. Sure, there are all sorts of things going on, so we will wait for this to finish and let's close this out, close this out, close this out. Yeah. Anyway, in URL encoded, I need the file upload, but we will worry about that later. It's all right. So users router. Okay, let's exit out of this one. mkdir controllers and cd controllers. Inside this, is there a command to generate controllers? No? Express.js generate controllers. Nope. Okay, fine. So NVIM. Okay, so controllers should be also a little bit broken into use cases. So there should be something for auth that should say login controller and register controller. Okay. So let's create another one, mkdir auth. So auth will contain login controller, register controller, verify email controller, and password reset controller. These 4 controllers. And mkdir users. Should I say users? Yeah, let's call it users. Okay, so cd auth nvim login controller.js. Okay, so we will write, oh sorry, yeah, module.exports equals, we will pass in MySQL API, we will pass env, and we will pass, let's only keep it MySQL and env for now. Env would be, you know, traits I will introduce later. So first thing would be, actually it should have been register controller sign up function, but anyway, okay. So login, async function rec res. Oh, sorry. So we will say console.log request.body, console.log request.body. I feel like I haven't completed generating and return res JSON. We will call it status true for now. Yeah. Oops. How the fuck do I get out of a NVIM file? Is it Control X? Is it I? No. Oh, escape. I'm sorry. Yeah, I know. No, it was getting out of insert mode. Okay, so NVIM register controller dot JS escape. Yeah, I needed escape. Yeah. Oops, sorry. Module dot exports equals MySQL API and env equals this, and now I will say register async function request res. After that we will say console.log request.body, and we will say console.log request.body. So these two things I have completed, and we will say return res JSON status true message in register API. Yeah, this seems fine. Boom. After this, let's get out of controllers. Yeah, now let's create migrations. You can use IntelliJ or Visual Studio as well for betting exiting experience. Exiting experience or editing experience. I know I can, but now it's time for me to just hug NeoVim very tightly. I've been avoiding NeoVim for too long for now. Why not use wild menu to switch between files? Wild menu, huh? Thing is, wild menu, if I install it, then I have to learn it on stream, which I don't have the time for. So let's power through for now. Did it complete? No? Alright, fuck it. We are going Razorpay. If it doesn't finish by this point, oh, here we go. So let's take the API key. So test mode, let's enable it. Settings. Turn on 2FA, piss off. Not gonna do that. Organization. Organizations. This is something that I forgot to mention. Miscellaneous. We will always assume that any user signing up is a part of an organization. Any user signing up is a part of an organization. Reason being that we want to support staff accounts. I know so many times at this point, whenever we create an app, the assumption is that everybody is a user, the same permission and role for them. But then pretty soon the feature request comes in that, oh, we want to be able to add multiple users to someone's team. So let's just go with it now itself. And this thing, it would have an organization model, which will have its own ID and name and let's say slug. Yeah. ID and name should be fine for now. Yeah, we don't really care. Organizations themselves don't really have any sort of functionality. It will later have an API key to them because actually let me shrink myself because I'm constantly thinking that maybe you guys are not able to see what I'm typing on the screen. Yeah, so let's do this. Now, organizations model, and then after that user organization model. The reason being that I want to have a pivot table which will contain a user ID and an organization ID. Yeah, and at one point, one user can only be marked active status in an organization ID. The reason being that at some point when user logs in, we have to pick a certain organization's data to show them. So yeah, there you go. So if a user ends up having 5 organizations, 4 of them would be marked disabled and 1 of them will be kept as enabled status. So that one will be picked. They were thinking, should we give him access? They heard that you're planning to use Razorpay and boom. Set a wild menu. No, it's just a setting in Vim RC file. All of those are just packed with AI BS. Sure, DX is good, but they are getting very heavy on system resources. Okay, I have no idea what you just said here, Ashish. Yeah, but anyway, let's continue for now. So this is going to be our 3 models which will manage user accounts. For passwords, we are going to be using bcrypt.js because I find it simple. I could have used salt based passwords where every user has their own salt, and based off of that salt the password is generated. That seems to me good enough to be secure, good enough to keep everybody's passwords safe, but let's go with bcrypt.js for now. Bcrypt.js for password hashing. I did not install passport.js just yet. So let me do npm install passport.js. Oh, developer experience. Okay, I see. UUID. UUID I should install. It will be helpful. But right now it's fine. I think UUID, I can use it for invoice data. Yeah, that is better. UUID. I will use it for when a particular invoice has been generated. Yeah, that's better. Okay, after this roles management, let me actually in SQLize generate migrations. Oh, config.json. I need to change this, right? NVim. Oh. Is config a file itself? Okay. NVim. Okay, I see. Oh. Anyway, before continuing further, we will need to tell the CI how to connect to the database. To do that, let's open the default config file. It looks something like this. I see. Oh, here we go. So the database, username root, password null, that's all right. Database would be simple GST app. Fine. Host, let's change it to localhost. Dialect MySQL. And inside this, I can actually turn off the logging for each of the queries. So let me just, yeah. Turn off query logging for SQLize. Yeah, here we go. So logging false if I pass it in here. Yeah, it will, yeah. Oops. Yeah, better. Okay, now we are ready to create migrations. Isn't UUID already there in the crypto module? It is there, but we will assume that it isn't and download and install it regardless. Model generate command. So npx sequelize CLI model generate name user attributes first name last name ID, email. Okay, so this command can take us a little bit of yeah. So we will open up Notepad. I don't want to paste directly in terminal because I might mess it up. So user attributes would be ID int. Will this work? First name. Oh, we can actually keep first name and last name. That's all right. Email, password would be string. After that, status, tiny int. Will it work? Tiny int, active, tiny int. So ID, first name, last name, email, password, status, active. Yeah, this seems better. This seems good. He is returning an object notice. You are doing a model exports callback function. I'm more of a front end guy. Can anyone quickly explain this pattern? Oh. It's just the way I have gotten myself comfortable with writing controllers. So, yeah, let's paste it. ID int cannot be parsed. Unknown type int. I knew it. Is there a yeah, sequelize migration define big int for model. Sequelize create migration. Nope, that's not it. Maybe it's integer. Yep, now created. New migration was created at this. All right, great. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so now let's change it a little bit. Organization, attributes, ID int, first name, last name, we don't really need it, so we will change it to just name. Email, we don't want it. Password, we don't want it. Status, we don't want it. Active, we don't want it. Do we need created at and updated at, or does it take care of it by itself? I guess we'll find out. Everyone has their way. I like using classic functions rather than arrow ones. Oh, okay, okay. Use AI to do this work for the memes. Nah, I'm not gonna use ChatGPT. It's alright. I know he's using CJS. I thought he's passing a callback function, but I forgot that CB function is returning an object. Why is there 542 dislike on the stream? Really? You must be using Revanced app, and Revanced has some sort of problems with dislikes. Last time somebody posted a screenshot of my video getting 53,000 likes, and I was like, yeah, you must be using Revanced. Organization done. Now let's go for user organization. User organization. Attributes ID. That this would be user ID. Integer. Yeah, user ID, after that org ID, integer. After that status, tiny int. Done. Oh, oh, space problem. There we go. So ls cders, there are migrations, cd migrations, ls, NVIM 0945. Yeah, so it says, oh, ID is already there. Okay, did I mess up? Shoot. First name, last name, email, password, status, active, created at. It says use strict. Am I in trouble? Am I cooked? Created at, updated at. Okay, it took care of it. And ID as well. I see, I see. So let me delete this one. Yeah. First name, last name, password, status, active, created at, updated at. All right. Oh. Name, created at, updated at, and ID. All right, this is fine. Async down. Okay, so there is an up and down commands. I see. Okay. So let me remove this ID from here as well. Did not know that it took care of putting ID created at and updated at by itself. Nice. Okay. Ideally, I should add unique key constraints on the models so that email is a unique constraint in the table itself. Huh. Yeah, I should add that. By the way, not a SQLized user, but still able to guess what is being done. Yeah, we are defining the schema for the tables, bro. Unique, true. So at least my emails are now unique. Okay. Okay, now let's run this and let's see what happens. DB migrate. The combination of user ID. Okay, one second. Before running this, let me also check the model. If model says unique true as well. CD models. Oh, NVIM user.js. Oh, so this doesn't have. Oh, I see. So it only contains a skeleton helper method for defining associations. This method is not a part of SQLized lifecycle. The model/index file will call this method automatically. I see. Define associations here. I should put in a has one through association so that a user model by itself knows which organization it belongs to. Right now we are not so worried about that because we are going to be covering simple register, but we will get to it. Lots of love from Nepal. Hey bro, lots of love from India as well. Really sorry to hear about that Prakriti situation that happened in KIIT college in India. Really sorry to hear that. What happened with that girl? Got abused, and the guy pushed her to commit Sudoku, and then turns out that now people are getting thrown out from the hostels, and only the Nepali students are going through this. Yeah, really sorry to hear that. Untrue. I've been spamming dislike as rapidly as uh, I'm in physical pain, but it's all worth it now that you noticed me, senpai. Oh, come on, man. Don't make it weird. By the way, not a sequelized. Okay. Can make similar project for my resume. Will this make me more hireable? Yeah, why not? You can take this project, create your fork of it, and then do your own functions or whatever, and then you can show it. Then you can showcase it in your resume. That look at this YouTuber. He created a project, so I took it. Holy shit, that is horrible. Yeah, it is. I like the stream 2 times. Okay, let's get out of here. Now let's run the db migrate command. Something will break. I knew it. Have you run sequelize in it? Cannot find. It says model slash config JSON. The routing is wrong. Um, db migrate sequelize change path for config.json. Okay, maybe it is in server.js. Let me see. NVIM app.js. Nothing. Oh. There is a config.json outside. NVIM config.json. There is nothing here. Okay, so let me remove this. NVIM app.js. Something is not right, something is not right, something is not right. What is happening? In our config folder, we have an index.js. Here's how it looks like. And we import configuration into main.js. Oh, I see. Maybe it is this. Maybe. So it loops out one level. Okay, let's try this out. Why is it looking for models in config.json? If I remove the file from um, oh, I'm already in model. Oh, okay, I see. NVIM index.js. So require dir name. What is dir here? Dir name. Constant config json path equals dir name. It is not working. 1 second. There's a path issue. How do I solve this? Hey Ventprox, long time no see, bro. Um, right now I'm struggling with this issue where this thing, this should work, I suppose. Let me move this file outside. Then. So maybe dir name is not getting logged as well. What is the problem there? Oh. It doesn't have a server.listen function, which is why I'm facing this problem. Module.exports app. Okay. Did you face any back pain during your software development journey? If yes, how did you get rid of that? Going to the gym, bro. Go to the gym, and then that usually takes care of your body health and everything. 2025 has been really bad for me. I haven't gone to the gym even a single day. Seems like when my subscription expired last year, I thought maybe just hold it out for a couple months. But now we are approaching March and I still haven't joined the gym. So yeah, it's gonna get bad, I assume. And given that I have a chair like this, said why don't you try type ORM? Okay, we'll see this. Did you install body parser? Is it for parsing JSON data? If it is, then you can just use express JSON. Yeah, I installed both. So express JSON right here, and actually I should not be using my mouse. I'm sorry. And cookie parser there, and body parser I haven't really taken. Anyway, for real, long time no see. I made some friends with benefits. Oh, nice. And there is finally a proxy that I can use on regular basis to watch stuff on YouTube. Ah, I see. The sanctions and the government things that happened. They banned YouTube in Russia. It's such a simple issue. Should I take the index file out? Is this a freelance project of your client? No, bro, I would never create a client project on stream. Are you crazy? Maybe I messed something up here. Ideally, inside models, ask AI. Above right hip, I have mild pain. Is that because of sitting? I sit for 5-6 hours a day. Ways not to. Could be, could be. I sit like 10-11 hours a day. I don't have any back pain issue or anything like that. Okay. dir name, huh? NVIM app.js. So it's already trying to find it in models. Please install MySQL 2 package manually. Okay, NVIM index. Oh, there you go. Oh, so this helper is now okay, kicked in. Nice. Now it should work. Ah, npm I save dev MySQL 2. See, I'm throwing this save dev flag just for you, Colin. Here you go. Let's go. Okay. So migrations are now created. Tables are created. Let me just check out if the email is a unique key as defined in the migration. Here we go. So organizations, SQLized meta, user organizations and users. Email is unique. Brilliant. Done. Now we can actually get into so first of all, let me check in that if npm express.js roles and permissions package. What is the best way to implement roles and permissions? Oh, so now it is saying create custom tables. I see. So if I had to create my own roles and permissions, then I would rather just keep it roles for simplicity. I wouldn't worry about permissions. Is there a package that can do this for me? Nope. Screw it. So now that we have migrations up and running, cool thing, this NeoVim bottom bar really reminds me of oh my ZSH. Laragon, long time no see. You know what Laragon did? Laragon is now a paid application, and that pisses me off, man. This pisses me off. Now anyone who wants to install Laragon, they have to purchase the license, and unfortunately there is no way to get a free key or whatever. I think there is a pricing page somewhere. Oh, there is. See, pro license, $50. Annual license, $149. $250 after Q1 2025. This is nuts, bro. This is nuts. Unlimited activations, same PC, all feature included. Unlimited Lalagon instances, 5 years of free updates, priority support. This used to be free, man. This used to be free. Um, Crazy. Why am I not surprised? Yeah, Vim users, we don't need mouse. We are elite mouse. Wake up, nerd. Watched Chava. No, bro, I haven't watched it. Sorry. Okay, so in routes, I should create users, and I should create an auth folder. So then that auth folder will have auth folder which will have a single auth.js that should contain login route. Okay, so cd routes ls, so index and users. So let's see what is in index. Oh, so this is okay. I see. Let me change this up a little bit. Rest render index. Nope, not gonna use it. Return rest.json. Oh, status true. Message. Welcome to GST app. Yes. Sorry for what? मैंने भी नहीं देखी, बस पूछ रहा था कैसी. Actually, no, I haven't watched Chava. You know, the movie that does interest me a little bit is the movie Mrs. That movie about a girl getting arranged marriage and then she's forced to cook food, I guess. And she has her own dreams, which obviously her family wouldn't allow her to pursue. So I'm a little interested to watch that movie. It has caused quite a bit of controversy. It has divided people into this is a bad representation of women versus this is a good representation of women's issues. So I want to watch that, but I will actually watch it with my wife. Yeah, I don't want to watch it alone. Um, that is so hot. Node.js is making you do manual labor without paying you. Beginners who use AI for coding, what would you advise them? Don't. Simple advice, don't. Alright, so let's do this. NVim auth.js. cp users.js as auth.js. Yeah, so ls, yeah, nvim auth.js. There we go. So now we can actually say it should be a post request. Can it be without the slash? So register function request rest next. So let's define our register controller here. Nope. Yeah. I should also take MySQL API right here, shouldn't I? Um, require auth controller. Previously, I have done this as MySQL API being a isolated file. Let's see. I actually want to do this in a standardized way, not my custom way that I used to do it before. Um, simple CRUD app with SQLize. My man is also a NeoVim user. Respect. Thank you, bro. Nope, this is not it. Oh, Morgan and .env. I should install .env. Hey Akash, Rajiwale, we are creating a GST app in this one. Actually, I should stop using status flags. Message in register function. Yeah. So now that we have auth.js, I should go back and reconfigure. Sorry, I almost typed nano app.js. Oh, it works. Control X. No, I don't wanna. Nano also works. Great. Let me remove this. Um, are you using CommonJS syntax because projects on Node.js that you're working on, working with didn't migrate, or because you're used to? Perhaps both. Node nowadays supports ES modules, if I remember correctly. Yeah, it does. ES modules, yeah, ES6, if I wanted to write in that notation, I could. I don't want to because I want this project to be beginner friendly. So they would be able to understand what's really happening. So yeah, I'm used to, and I also want to keep it beginner friendly. app.use/auth auth router. I use ES module syntax. Oh, nice, Arindam. Great for you, bro. Um, auth router equals require. I don't need to put .js. Nice. So then that means that I would not need .js right here. Who has written an app in single file? In your beginning days, you do that, but that's all right. I'm not doing this correctly, am I? Route a path to controller function express.js. Actually, single file code runs little faster, but it makes code look bad, and having multiple files for no reason is also bad. We need an in between. Yeah, fair. But you need multiple files because eventually your project is going to be in a team. So, yeah. So they need their own files to work on. Oh, I see. This is how it is. Hey Raju, there isn't much runtime saved anyway, so don't let it be a deciding factor for whether you write in one file or not. It's just a bias that people think everything written in one file runs faster because obviously only one file has to be loaded into memory. However, it's not just one file, is it? That one file will invoke libraries, which is again in other files anyway. You can't really boil everything down into just one file that it never has to refer to an external file, can you? Hey Tachi, welcome back. You were here in the beginning, now okay, I see. And electricity has gone, my inverter has kicked in, we don't care. Okay. Register, so this is the thing. After that, router dot post login would be where login controller equals require there we go. So this would be login controller shit. Then router dot actually email verify should be a get request. Okay. Just confused, why are you not using VS Code? Because that is not what we want to do in this one. I will 100% adopt NEOVIM. That is my goal now. I have to make the shift. I have ignored it for long enough. I created a video trying out NeoVim. Here's how it went. And after that, I didn't really do NeoVim after that. Why did I make NeoVim sound like a drug? And I should do NeoVim. That is a good drug, gives a really good high. Once upon a time, I was working on a front-end project. I heard that you should divide code in components. I made so many components that I myself was not able to understand my code. Nice, nice, very nice. I can see you getting washed away with that emotion for having modularity. And yeah, that bites you in the ass. I didn't argue for or against using file division, bro. I'm just saying that benchmarks don't get credit to this decision. There is Vim simulation extension in VS Code. Nah, screw that. I'm not using simulation or whatever. Outer post, verify email. This should be email. Should I put that in register controller itself so that it would be easier? No? There should be a password reset controller. There should be okay, screw it. Next, you will be running Arch and getting divorced. I already have an Ubuntu installation, bro. Oh, I should shift to Ubuntu for this project. Yeah, I'll do this. Tomorrow. Set. Tomorrow we are doing Ubuntu. NeoVim in Ubuntu and developing this project. Yeah, tomorrow we are doing this. For some reason, my messages are not showing up when I try to say something related to the project. Oh. Vim makes it horny. I know, same thing happened to me in Vue.js. No problem, Arindam. Keep trying, bro. And if you want, you can jump to Twitch. Twitch doesn't really, Twitch doesn't really do this. Outer post. Password reset. So we will do this password reset controller. Okay. Where password reset controller equals require this should have a authentication, middleware authentication. Shit. Let's not confuse things. Working on a big data sounds more like an exception rather than the rule. No? NeoVim is great once you learn the basics of it and little advanced motions. By the way, my manager uses VS Code and when I have to show him the code, I have to use VS Code. Such a burden. Yeah, I imagine it can be. Yeah. Windows update bricked my Windows box a week ago and I finally said fuck it and all my stuff is 100% Linux now. How do you manage games? It's just the games that I have to keep Windows. Isn't there a package called Proton in Linux that lets you play natively? If I can get that configured to run Rocket League, then I think I'll shift to Linux 100% as well. I don't give a shit about Windows other than the gaming stuff. Okay. Hey, thanks for the follow. I can't really see who that was, but thank you. You have to buy games. No, Rocket League is free, bro. Bro, no where please. Okay. Let me change to const. What is the problem with you guys and where? I don't get it. Yeah, good enough. Use .env as dev dependency. Yeah, I should install it. npm I dot save dev .env. Yeah, nvim.env. Okay, so let's name uh, app name equals GST app. Let's say app URL equals HTTP localhost 3000. After that, app env should be development. There should be a string, some very long string that passport.js requires you to write. So we will worry about that later. So let's do payments, payment API keys. So we will do payment provider equals Molly. Choice between Molly and Razorpay. Okay, Molly. After that, API key equals something, and API secret equals something. Okay, let's see. In Molly, how do I find my API keys? Where is var? Use const. DevOps, any info for beginning. Hey Rituraj, welcome back. Just go for it, bro. Don't really give a shit about what is the future and what is not, what's there and what isn't. Just go for it. Where is Molly API key? How do I find Molly API key for testing? Go to developers, API keys. Now where is developers? Developer settings. Where is developer settings? Oh, here we go. Test API key. Here you go. I just used my mouse. I hope you can forgive me. API mode equals test. Yeah. Where is only a bottleneck when you confuse the scopes in for loops and such, but it still has uses. I don't know why transition to top level constants in JS world had to be wholesale. Yeah, VS Code have important question to ask. What is the thing in Vim that makes it? Man, you guys are. Sometimes I forget like what my audience really is. You are 23, like in your mid 20s and all, and you are all like horned up and stuff. So you like to project that on me. I keep forgetting it. Mouse in NVIM blasphemy. Yeah, I know, I know. I messed up. Tech World with Nano is also a great channel. By the way, took your advice and started learning Python for automation and also ordered a Raspberry Pi kit to work with only on SAT and Sun. This helped me to recover from burnout. Hey, nice. Keep going, bro. No, I'm not gonna use VS Code. I'm sorry, Vishal. Not gonna. Screw it. So yeah. This seems good enough. Yeah. Saturday and Sunday. Oh. Oh, I see, I see. I thought maybe it meant something in Python. I don't know. I didn't want to look stupid. Now, I forgot how to check how to run this app for one. Um, Express.js run app after generator. Oh, it gets stuck. NodeEnv equal to production npm start. So let's only try npm start. Let's see what happens. Register async functions. I see, I see. Oh, oh, sorry. Oh, why? Nano, really? I have managed too many. Oh, okay, so this is fine. I have managed too much. What is it? Too many servers on Ubuntu, and my hands immediately go to Nano. See, once again, nvim auth / register controller. So async functions, huh? Yep. Still, register controller 3, top level or inside a block. Okay, okay. Or is it here? Can't really decide now. Okay, anyway. Yeah. I see where the problem is. Mm, Yeah. Okay. So yeah, this seems better. Oh, I'm sorry. CD controllers auth cd login controller.js into password reset controller.js. Same thing. Yeah, now it seems good. npm start. Okay, okay. Bro, you will need to set up LSP in NVIM to show errors. Install a file manager plugin for NeoVim. I know that there is a file manager. I have installed it as well. I think the command is nvim tilde file tree so that it shows me the file tree and I can hop back and forth. But I don't want to do that right now. Let it be this way. Yeah. If we really went into configuring the, what is it, the terminal, then we can spend like 6 hours on it. But step by step. Nano is the one true God. Where is GED1 today? No, he is here, right here in Twitch. Ashen Keter. Now FANG YouTubers are selling courses on how to become AI engineer in 7 weeks. Really? What was that about the anonymous function not working out as an object value anyway? Sounds like some linter shenanigans. No Maggie today. No, it is Saturday. Maggie is a Sunday exclusive, bro. No. So no Maggie for today. NVIM auth.js. Sign up, should it be a function? Should it be? How to call controller function in routes file express.js. So maybe let me try this thing. I have a bad feeling about this, that this is not how it's supposed to be. What was that about the Google is truly a developer's best friend. Don't call the function directly, just pass the ref. Bro, just copy paste boilerplate. No, not really. Try Kagi or Seer XNG. Okay, I don't know what Kagi or this thing is. Went copy paste boilerplate. No, no, we are not doing that. 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 No, we are not do We have to have patience. npm start dot sign up is not a function. I see. Maybe I need to define these functions, only then it will work. Um, Sign up, login, register control should have verify email and password reset. Only then maybe it will work. Okay, so let me go to controllers. Um, hmm. Shit. Um, hmm. I shouldn't pass these two things actually. Yeah, it's not needed. Is this required? No? Working hours equal till you die. Um, in USD, average salary is 4,500 USD per year. What are you on? What drugs have you taken, bro? $4,500 a year. Seriously? I hate NVIM. Okay. What is the average salary of a full stack dev in India, USD? Oh, in India, 4,500. Full stack developers earn anywhere between 10 LPA, let's say 5 years experience, right? So 10 lakhs INR to USD. $11,540 a year to $46,163 a year. 11,000 to 40,000. It could vary. Sometimes it's even less. Sometimes it's like $5,000 or $6,000 a year. If you're working in a small company, relatively young, you know. What is so heavy on YouTube stream? My cooling fan is on for last 30 minutes, I guess. I'm from Anand. You are 100 kilometers away from me. And work of a Mazdoor. Intern with 9 to 5, no salary. Intern with 10k salary, 9 to 7. So 1500 USD per month for remote job from Indian company is a scam, right? Depending on which country you are in, bro. If you yourself are in America, then yeah, it can be a scam. But no, if you're in India, 1500 per month is a banger deal, bro. Take it. 1500 USD into INR would be 1,30,000. It's a great salary. Oh, fresher. Fresher, it can be even less, Vishal. It can even be less than 4,500. Module.exports equal sign up. I see. Like this, you mean? I think you mean it like this, isn't it? Let's try it out. Surely it will break. Let me remove this semicolon here. Sorry, colon here. Now let's see. See, so we are somewhere now. We got somewhere. If I add a comma here, maybe this will fix itself. Hey, let's go. So we are somewhere. We are getting somewhere. Yeah, this should be fine. Da, da, da. npm start. Index auth.js 7. Okay. Line number 7, register controller dot sign up. So register controller. Sign up, huh? Register something like this. Oh, I see. How much does a dev make annually in India? Way less, bro, way less. Something like $3,000 to five 5,000, 6,000, but not more than that. $6,000 a year, bro. It's an annual salary for a fresher, I mean. Okay, let's try it out, Noman. Do I need a comma for separating functions, bro? If I follow this type of syntax, do I need this comma right here or no? Oh, right, I can do that. Yeah. Yes, you need comma. Okay, that is insane to an American. Yeah. Now it explains so much offshoring, isn't it? This is why American companies do this. Um, nope. Nope, nope, nope. Did not work. Maybe this? Maybe this? Yeah, so it's saved. Unexpected token. Oh, we are not getting anywhere in this. Okay, please remove this. Yeah, I did. I did. We are not getting anywhere. Mm, Use mouse again. Yeah, so what? How do I flip back and forth between terminal windows? In Windows terminal, let me see. Switch between terminals in Windows terminal. Alt key. Okay. Nope. Control tab. Okay. Control. Oh, here we go. Nice. Take a break. Wait, problem is something else related to what we are returning. Could be, could be. So this is how the module exports looks like. Should I make it a class-based function? We will take a break at 2, bro. But I have to figure this out. If I do this, then I can take a break. Yeah, Vishal, he has about 8 to 10 years, easily 5 plus years of experience. He is running his own agency. If you kiss his ass a little bit, maybe he will hire you. Can you recommend a newbie website projects? I am making a newbie website project, bro. No, I won't kiss anybody's ass. I just learned HTML, CSS, and JS basics. Yeah, then this project would be a good addition to your skill set, bro. So what are we getting in routes file? Let's see. CD routes and so let me open up a new tab and let's go for CD routes NVim auth.js. Yeah, let's do this and let's run node auth. So you can see that register is a function that is getting returned, and it says it but got an object undefined. Huh. Maybe it is, maybe it is. Maybe it is supposed to be a function right here like this. Let's see. So we got somewhere. It says register controller at sign up is not a function. So we got somewhere at least. Okay. Maybe we can change that later. Open this route postcode. Console register controller. Yeah, I did. So register is a function and yeah. So control tab. Yeah. So and then register controller dot sign up is not a function. Then what is it? Yeah, around 8 to 10x to me, so like a tenth. In auth you calling it as sign up. Here it is. Function into an object. In this file you mean, Arindam? I think sign up is not there. In register controller do you mean? Okay. Sign up is not there. Oh, I see. This should be sign up. auth.js 10. So at least we got somewhere. Login controller at login. Okay, let's see. So let me quit out of this one, and when, oh, I see the problem now. It's a simple function. Okay, so let me quit out of this, and when simple function. Okay, fine. Actually, let me remove this. Yeah. Who is celebrating? NVM password reset controller. This should be fine as well. My wife is calling. 1 second, guys. Okay, let's go, baby, let's go. We are up and running exactly at 2 p.m. We are at a good stage now. Okay, let me cut out of this one. Let me remove this log statement in the controller. Okay, one problem I'm seeing that I think you guys can help me out with is after I go in insert mode, I'm still using the arrow keys to go up and down. So what do I do here? After going in insert mode, I can't use J and K keys, right? So how do I do this? I know that arrow keys are not supposed to be used here. Okay. npm start. Please use pnpm or bun in 2025. Maybe I'll use bun, maybe. But you know, instead of using bun, I would rather use Dino. Dino is better. Yeah. I feel you're using LazyVim. This is not LazyVim, bro. I can't remember. Um I can't even remember the guy's name who helped me with setting up NeoVim. Anyway, Dino is also great. Yeah, so Dino I will use instead of Node. So, node bin www. So let's hit something. Add relative numbers to the settings. JKHL. Wait, Sid is on Twitch now. Yeah, why not? Um, Press escape and move them back to insert mode, guess. Oh, I see, I see. I see. So do the edit, escape, then, oh, I see. And you can't use JHKL in insert mode. I see, I see. I see. Let's see, Postman. Dino's package manager works a little bit different from everyone else. That's why I use bun. Have to learn nothing new. The whole point of insert mode is you're not really moving around. I see, I see. So exit, move, then insert once again. Pro tip, map the escape key to the caps lock key as it is not that much used, so you won't have to move your finger the entire way to press escape. Okay, that is too much of a pro tip, bro. Everything is hanging today. Now this sign in is not gonna work. This fucking thing. Try hopscotch. But then I don't want to download yet another thing, bro. Use Microsoft Power Tools for that. Try using Shift plus this or Shift, you can move faster. Oh, really? Oh, oh, here we go, here we go. This is a good one. That is a good one, yes. Nice. Now Postman's server is now returning an error. What the fuck is wrong with? For micro, then use your JNK. Oh, I see, I see, I see. This is a very good tip, Veronica. Very good tip. Thank you. Sorry about that. Please work this time. Please work. Use curl to test endpoints. Nah, nah. That is too much. That is too much. My eyes are hurting, so let me turn on the dark mode. There we go. Dada, valo acho dada. Yes, Soumyajit, I'm doing fine. How you doing, bro? Good luck, mate. I'm gonna pass out. Yeah. See you later, alligator. Off topic, but why does Kolkata biryani hit different? It's damn too good. Yes, yes, yes. It is, it is. Have you gone to Arsalan or Aminia or Zishan or Arsalan, Aminia and Zishan? These three are the best three places for biryani. Can't remember. Then there are other places in Kolkata for biryani. Small shops also make great biryani. Which area are you from, Arindam, in Kolkata? Hey bro, I'm in 12th pass, just learned JS and now I'm learning React. What will you suggest me to do? A 3 to 4 year computer science degree or something else? Huh? Oh, 12th pass, I see. Getting a degree is safe, bro. I would say get a degree if you can. If you have the funds, if you can afford it, get a degree. Now, what happened to this? Long story short, figure out what gets you really excited to do and figure out what gets you doing that more. Yes, that is the one. I hate Postman, bro. I just hate it. What feature are you building first? I'm getting a little bored and maybe I can build front end for that feature. Login sign up, of course. That's where we will start. Close and reopen Postman. Yeah. But what port is it running on? This says simple GST app 0.0.0 start and node bin www. But what is it running on? Localhost 3000 is it? HTTP localhost 3000 users auth register 404 not found. So at least it is okay. So it is 3000. I see. Why is this guy trying to sell me a car? NVIM app.js auth router. City routes. Post auth slash register and it did not work. Why? Just why? Control C, npm start. Now probably. Here we go. There we go. So now it works. So now I maybe need to put a watch file changes kind of thing. So npm start, maybe I do watch. Maybe this will help. No? Let's see if we can read. I have to restart again and again. This is not fair. Maybe I do no daemon start. Oh. Okay, so we are receiving the request just fine. Yeah, so now let me make it a little bigger so you guys can see. This is too big. Yeah. All right, so now let me take the export of this collection. GST app. Actually, let me see environment variables. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? No environment. This would be local dev. So add new variable. Uh, base URL would be HTTP localhost 3000. Current value, same thing. Yeah, so save. So now if I change it, base URL auth/register. Yeah, still works. Okay, save it, and I will name it register API. After that, export. Where is it? Export collection v2.1. Save time by sharing it instead. Share collection. Nah, I will use offline. So yeah. So this is better. Yeah. Now let's catch up to chat. How to set up NeoVim? It will take you time, bro. npm install -d NodeJS. This code crafter things, man, they are spamming my email now. This is crazy. Dudes, NodeJS is outdated. You can just watch path to do the same. It didn't work for me, bro. Let's see. What is GST app? GST app is sort of a name I have given. I am trying to create a backend API project, so you guys can create your own front end for it by consuming the APIs. Initial project commit. Initial commit, let's say. Okay, so now this is pushed and you guys can actually take pull now. Yeah. So it's in the description box, the link for the GitHub repository. Okay. Now we can take a break. Resume scams. Why not? Sir, send the script in Discord. You forgot to push package.json. Really? What the? Huh? Here we go. So now it's a terminal issue that git add dot, it's not gonna work. Oh, I have to stop it. Git reset. And I have to create a .ignore file. What the hell did I just do? NVim .get ignore. It should contain node modules. It should contain .env. It should contain package locked .json. Yeah. Oh, I see. I see. Node modules should not be inside it, bro. Sorry. RM controllers auth. Yeah. NVim dot get ignore. Node modules .env package lock.json. No, lock file is must. Okay. Don't ignore package lock. It's actually better if you include that for others. Oh, I see. So node modules and env, these two are the only ones I need, right? Okay, so package lock, package JSON, Postman collection, bin. I think I should. Do you have a .get ignore? I think I should take away bin folder as well, isn't it? What do you say? Then what the hell did I push? Bin, what is that? Let's see. There is a file www, not a directory. This is like a module dependency. Oh, I see. I think you would need this. I think you would need this. So app.js, git ignore, bin, config, migrations, models, package log, package, postman collection, public routes, views. Yeah. Initial commit. Why aren't you building in Next.js? I'm also building Next.js project for college. What kind of statement is that, bro? I didn't ask you to choose Next.js. You did it by yourself. So I am free to take my own decision, you know. Um, Yeah. This is great. Bin config controllers auth migrations. Yeah, there we go. So 2 hours we were able to set up a project pretty well, I would say. I'm happy with the initial setup. So we will continue on this tomorrow. Yeah. This is second time same comment. Don't ignore package lock. Okay. Sir, check Discord. Yeah, yeah. It would. I guess you can help me figure this out. It just makes me nervous seeing the file tree on the left and code on the right, because my VS Code muscle memory will kick in and I will use the mouse to drag there and yeah, check the files. No, the tech chat. Okay, so this is someone else. Oh, watch preserve output. Oh, I see. I see. I see. This is great. Those are build files. No, not really. I don't think so. Um, but yeah, whatever it is, I post it anyway. Who cares? Right now, there are like 3 or 4 things going side by side. One is latent controversy, then one is Lakshay Chaudhary getting attacked, and then what is it? Some asteroid that is supposed to destroy a city like Mumbai or Kolkata in 2032, isn't it? Sir, bye. Going for business duty. Yeah, bye, bro. There is some news about asteroid hit Earth 2032, something like this. Yeah, asteroid 2024 YR4 has a chance of hitting Earth. So it seems like we are cooked. I'll be in Tokyo in 2032. And India versus Pakistan. Now, what happened between India and Pakistan, bro? Now, what is the new controversy? I already posted it weeks ago. Yeah, I know, you did. But then, oh, cricket. Oh, I see. Cricket rivalry. It's not certain to hit, but they are predicting trajectory. And yeah, in that trajectory, there's like USA is completely safe. It's like India, Kolkata, Mumbai, and then some African country, and then some South American, North and South American middle part, somewhere there. It will hit. Oh, totally forgot. It was the stream day. Yeah, no problem, bro. We are already 2 hours into it, and I pushed a GST app. It's supposed to be a GST app, but spent 2 hours on it setting it up, and now it is pushed. Yeah. Cricket match tomorrow. Oh, I see. Is it tomorrow, really? India Pakistan, do you mean? India Pakistan match tomorrow. Oh, I see. Group stage, ODI 5 of 15. What is this? Is like an ODI series or is it like a World Cup? Rohit Sharma, Shreyas Iyer. I don't like Shreyas Iyer, to be honest. I haven't seen consistency from this guy. Like, what is he? Is he a hitter? Is he like a builder? Is he like a night watchman? What is he? Shubman Gill, Virat Kohli, Akshar Patel. I don't like Akshar Patel's bowling, you know. For some reason, I feel like if you already have Ravindra Jadeja in the team, why do you need Akshar Patel? For batsmen, sure, but don't give him the ball. He's not good at bowling. Where is Shaktiman? uh, what company do you work in currently, bro? No company, bro. No company. I am a freelancer. I work as a freelancer. Yeah. Washington Sundar. I don't know about this guy. KL Rahul, Rishabh Pant, Arshdeep Singh. Arshdeep Singh is a great fast bowler. Medium fast, I mean. Harshit Rana. I don't know who this guy is. Champions Trophy. Oh, I see. I see. Kuldeep Yadav is a great one. There are so many left arm spinners. Kuldeep Yadav, Ravindra Jadeja, Akshar Patel. All of them left armers. Mohammad Shami is now the GOAT of Indian fast bowling. And Varun Chakravarti. What happened to Mohammad Shami, bro? Sorry. Siraj. Mohammad Siraj, yeah. What happened to that guy? Champions Trophy for top teams from World Cup results and past winners. I see. Do you know this Manohar Batra guy? He has made his, he made the declaration that he is going towards podcasts, and he is thinking about quitting his job to do YouTube full time. So now you're gonna see, yeah, you're gonna see the classic YouTuber arc from Manohar Batra. Slack tries to handle more traffic, self-destructs instead. Really?
On May 12, 2020 at 8:30 in the morning. Slack's database reliability team was alerted to a significant load increase in their database infrastructure. Tracing the traffic upstream, they found that this corresponded to a load increase in the servers in their main web app tier, which handles the bulk of Slack user requests like logging in, sending messages, and creating channels. As a result, API requests began to fail and customers began to experience sporadic errors. A quick inspection revealed that this wasn't the typical traffic spike, but the result of a buggy deployment. A configuration change.
Nice. Buggy deployment. Great. Gambhir politics. Really? That Gautam Gambhir guy is never going to calm down, is he? He finds problem with something. Yeah, the editing is a little bit Fireship-y. Yeah, it does look like Fireship.
Change had triggered a performance bug, and it was quickly rolled back. There were about 3 minutes of customer impact, and most users were still able to send messages successfully during this incident. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time. Well, actually, this was just the calm before the storm, as indicated by the title of this postmortem. Since this was during the start of the COVID era, when everyone began to work from home and communicate electronically, Slack had configured their system to auto-scale much more quickly than before to meet the demand. This means that extra web app and database instances would automatically launch when certain thresholds are hit. And speaking of databases, that brings us to today's sponsor, Neon Postgres. You may have heard of Postgres and get the free plan to. This wasn't actually that concerning though, as temporarily over-provisioning the host, if anything, should safeguard against traffic-related outages. In fact, manually going into prod to scale everything back down would be an unnecessary risk. What if someone accidentally types in the wrong number and blows everything up? Therefore, it would make the most sense to simply wait until the end of the business day, when traffic would calm down and the system would automatically scale back.
Yeah, he manifests for it and creates. Yeah. Out of nowhere, he will bring something up and he will start arguing with everybody. Yeah, he does that. Gautam Gambhir.
Again. So everyone continued to go about their day for the next 8 hours until they received an alert that Slack was serving more HTTP 503 errors than normal. This particular error code means a server cannot handle requests due to being overloaded or down for maintenance. Slack should never be down for maintenance barring an advanced electronic notice or act of God, so its web app instances must have been overloaded. And overloaded they were, as from 4:45 p.m. onwards, users were no longer able to connect to Slack. It was a complete outage. Disgruntled remote workers on the West Coast were now presented with a tantalizing opportunity to try and get to Costco before rush hour, but they would all end up
Hello, sir, Tushar Gaurav. Why do you have to say sir twice, bro? I already tell you to not call me that.
stuck in a massive line
But hello, bro.
anyways because everyone else had the same idea. Back at Slack, the engineers realized that this was a Severity 1 issue and made sure to page the CEO. They couldn't discuss the issue on Slack since Slack was down, so they spun up an incident response
That's a funny one. They could not discuss the issue on Slack because Slack itself was down. Nice.
Zoom call, and the on-call engineer for the web app tier made the obvious move in response to traffic overload, which was to scale out the web app fleet. This, however, did not help at all. They noticed that a subset of the fleet was under heavy load, while the rest of the web app instances, including
Brother does not want my respect. Thing is, the word sir is a very heavy word, bro, and I don't think I deserve it. I don't deserve to be called sir. So I do want respect, but yeah. Hey Manas, hey there people from upside. You are Manas Shinde, right? Right here. You are Manas Shinde, right? Right. I saw something on Twitter that is very troubling, bro. What is this? Come on, bro. Like, really? Seriously? I know that Twitter is meant to be a little bit extreme, but did you really have to do this? I saw it and I was like, oh shit. It was just, I have no words. Yeah, I have no words either, bro. You posted your own eyes as a profile pic, and what is this? Make sure that when you apply for jobs, you don't leave that up. I see no problem. Yeah, why would you, Roop?
the ones they just launched, had very little load, if any. This immediately made it clear that the main problem was not with the web app.
That is a very famous Austrian painter. Yeah. See, don't try to be smart. Hey, his eyes look like that great Austrian painter. Don't try it. Don't try it, bro. Don't try it. I'm also thinking about integrating GST in my app that I'm building. Oh, nice. Then probably you can take the project that I'm building and run it in a Docker container. He's great leader, but only for his people. Yeah, sure. Yeah, why not?
App instances themselves, but the upstream proxy which distributes requests to these servers. For some reason, the load was not being balanced evenly. The sus upstream load balancing service in question here were the servers running HA Proxy, a free and open source load balancer and proxy named after its high availability. Fortunately for the FOSSing community, it was not the FOSS that was at fault here, but Slack's usage of it. Specifically, the way they gave HA Proxy the target group of web app instances to distribute the requests to. You may recall from the previous Roblox video a service discovery software from HashiCorp called Console. This is also what Slack used to keep track of their web app.
Oh, by the way, I forgot why I came here. I was asking that is KeyBRCom good for learning typing because it doesn't follow a lesson approach. You have to learn to type. I mean, is it like, do you want to learn to look forward when you type on the keyboard? Like, what is your use case here? Typeracer.com. Yeah, Typeracer. Touch typing, yes. Oh, I see. I see. Yeah, Typeracer go. Typeracer.com is a good one, bro. Let me try this out. Typeracer is loading. Um, 2, 1, go. So where did I place? Second place. Okay, 48 words per minute. This is not a good one. This gives me tension. I don't want to be in a stressed state. Race again. Looking for competitors. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. In a hamlet of 10 households, there are bound to be those who are my equal in doing their best for others and in being trustworthy in what they say, but they are unlikely to be as eager to learn as I am. Oh, first place. Nice. For multiple player typer IO. Well, that turned out to not funny for an entire generation. What do you mean, Waken? He was declared good painter, but at the time they gave admission to portrait painter. Sadly, he painted architecture. Look at his paintings. I'm not gonna work on me, bro. Monkeytype.com. So there you go, Manas. You should practice. Uh, for multiple player typer IO. I see. I'm uh, I'm so glad I'm not in Germany currently. Otherwise, I would have people on my back. Now, what have you done, Kidambi?
Web instances as
Man, you guys are unhinged in a sense. Yeah, I get it. Hey, Algorithm Soft, but I thought maybe I give try to keyword.com. Also tried typing.com, moneytype.com, but lesson approach. I tasted better. You tasted better, bro.
as new instances are
You're not really supposed to lick the websites. You know that, right? I didn't do anything. I said for this stream correctly. Oh, I see.
launched, Console ensures they pass basic health checks and registers their IPs to its service registry. Then the service registry
I smell the website I visit. Great, bro. Great.
which you can think of as a constantly changing list of IPs, somehow needs to be continually communicated to HA proxy. How did they do this? I hacked into the Slack archives and procured a copy of the design review of this component. Let's take a look. Anyone here? Anyone?
Okay, I'm not interested in this video anymore. These sort of things, yeah, they happen. There was an instance where Instagram on the latest iPhone was not optimized and they shipped it. Mr. Who's the Boss caught the problem when he was reviewing the latest iPhone, and he showed it that look at how blatantly they have unoptimized Instagram. And I was like, how the fuck is this possible? Instagram is the one app people buy iPhones for, mostly, I would say. They want to go on Instagram, they want to click the high definition photos and they want to upload it. And then you mess that up for the latest release. Unbelievable. Hey, thanks for the follow. I can't see who you are, but yeah, thank you. A new feature in the latest CSS revision. You know, they're actually talking about sensors in television, which will send out smelling sort of particles. So if there's like a perfume advertisement you are seeing, you can actually trigger the smell to be in your room based on the data that it would send to your television or your device that you have attached to your laptop or television. Did you know that? So they are trying that out. I don't know if it will be commercially available on a large scale, but apparently the patents exist. There are patents for it. How many times before you smell it from? Why am I always associated with mischief, Elmao? Because you say it like that. Just search Adolf paintings. No, I'm not gonna. Sorry. Otherwise, I'm gonna be labeled far right, extremist, whatever. And then, yeah, there goes my YouTube career. Apple removed your privacy from the government, which is a true statement. In the UK, Apple has turned off data privacy for people because the government wants backdoor to everybody's data. So the only option is to keep it open, your iCloud account, or another option is to just delete it. But your iCloud account in the UK, yeah, it is now open to the government. Oh, this is just Mumbai Drive. I sort of like these type of videos where somebody just attaches a camera to the car and just drives around. There are some videos about China that I liked. It's just Mumbai. Is there Bangalore here? Mumbai Drive. Worldly in 4K. Okay, so this guy. Okay, so this guy is yeah, based in Mumbai, it seems. When are you launching an AI model that delete all the teaching YouTuber from but then everybody else can use the, oh, you like POV, right? I also like that. Yeah. But then they can use the AI model on me as well, isn't it? Algorithm. It's me. I am new. What? Manas, you're already here. What do you mean? TVs with smell. I am waiting for flying cars. Flying cars already do exist. There is a startup in Bangalore that was Bangalore startup flying taxi. There is a startup in Bangalore. There you go. Now where is the prototype? Right here.
It takes 20 minutes to charge and it has a range of 160 kilometer. Bangalore will be a hub from where we will operate. We have a MOU with them. Like for example, if you're going from Bangalore airport to Electronic City, it takes around 150 minutes basically and cost you around 2,500 close about. But if you take Sarla, the time saving is incredible. You might only spend 20 minutes. So, and the price will be the same basically. So you get your time back.
We have people and delegates from different countries.
So there you go. And drone, no. Drone is a different thing. A manned drone is a different thing. But when it goes to a commercially available drone that multiple people can fly in, now it's no longer a drone. Now that is a flying car. Is the job market going to improve this year? Bro, it's always has been trash. Trust me, when in 2017, when I was about to get my job, I was hearing the same sentiment everywhere, that the tech market is down, the job market is down, there are no jobs, there are no jobs. I have heard it since for the last 8 years, and I'm still gonna hear it in the next 5 years. But what do you think on EV cars? I hate them. Maybe you have your reasons to hate EV cars. I don't. I think they are dope if your use case is a city use case where it's only your home and office that you have to commute back and forth. I think it's a good idea to get an electric car in that sense. We didn't. We have a Tata Punch petrol model because we knew that while getting a car, we are gonna wanna go on long drives. So we were like, nah, we have to get petrol. No customers right now. I completed 10th in 2017. Oh, wow. You are watching me in your business place. Nice. I'm flattered. Introducing Majorana 1. Yeah, this is a big news. And obviously Fireship created a video on this already. You must have seen it.
Introducing a breakthrough in quantum computing, the Majorana 1. A new approach that ignores the limitations of current models to combine the power of millions of potential qubits all working together to solve unsolvable challenges in creating new medicines, entirely new materials, and helping our natural world. All on a single chip. The Majorana 1.
It is such an ambiguous video. There is literally no information, the path to 1,000,000 qubits.
What would the world look like with a computer that could accurately model the laws of nature? That's the promise of quantum computing, but there have always been limitations. Now is one of our longest running research projects. Our team at Microsoft has been able to take a
charging stations are bad. So how do we freshers get hired when we're applying everywhere, not getting response anywhere? I'm tired of life. Bro, you have to push through. You have to power through. And just a question, Gaurav, how long have you been trying to apply as a fresher? How long has it been? Made after taking marijuana. This is a dope technology though. This is a dope technology. I think it will be commercially available. No, I think this technology is too powerful to leave in somebody's hands. Scams and deepfakes and things like that will be rampant. It will be out of control. See, until we find new materials from outer space asteroids, forget about those sci-fi tech becoming reality. But then how do you know that those things exist in outer space asteroids, bro? That's not the problem. Earth has everything that the universe has to offer. We can create the sci-fi technology, or we can't. No, we can't. And asteroids is not the solution, bro. For long drive, EV is not good. My cousin buy EV car. His car take 9 hours to charge in home. 9 hours. That is brutal. So he buy an Alto. Nice. They spelled wrong. It's marijuana. The search automating boring stuff with Python and move to the who it's for section in the introduction module. Quite funny if you read it. Automating boring stuff with Python. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Anyway, guys, I will look into it. I will look into this tomorrow. And yeah, that is it for today. Almost a 3-hour stream. You like POV? Yes, I do. How do I get a license? I want to be an Uber Ola driver. Just get a normal license, bro. And speaking of license, you know, I got licensed myself very recently. I am now licensed to ride a bike with gear and a car. Both of them. I can now drive legally the same way that I've been driving for the last 10 years. So yeah, get your license, bro. That's all it takes. Then you can get the Uber for Drivers app and then you can follow the registration process. But why do you want to be an Uber Ola driver, bro? What's good? Multiplayer meta game or inventory management desktop mobile app for relative for project idea? Any idea is good, bro. Both of them have their own learning curves out there. So pick anything. Hey, thanks for the follow. I can't see who you are. I'm sorry. It's a Tata Punch EV that takes 9 hours. Oh, I see. I see. There are asteroids comprising gold, silver, even diamonds out there. There is a high chance of new materials with new properties yet to be discovered. Yeah, in that case, the entire universe is at our disposal, bro. LinkedIn is easy, apply 700 jobs, are actually 0 jobs applied, Gaurav, bro. Bro, worried in just 2 months. At least try for 2 years. Wow, that is brutal. 2 years, man. In the intro section of the first website. Oh. Don't spend your time doing a well-trained monkey could do. Wow. Wow. Very good. Very good. Good. Even if you've never written a line of code, you can make your computer do the grunt work. Learn how to automate the boring stuff with Python. Nice. You'll learn how to use Python to write programs that do in minutes what would take you hours to do by hand, no prior programming experience required. Once you have mastered the basics of programming, you'll create Python programs that effortlessly perform useful and impressive feats of automation to search for a text in a file or across multiple files, create, update, move and rename files and folders, search the web and download online content, update and format data in Express spreadsheets of any size, split, merge, watermark and encrypt PDFs, send reminder emails and text notifications, fill out online forms. That's great. That is a great book then. Nice. Al Swigart. Nice. No, click the introduction. Oh. Where is introduction? Oh, here you go. About the author. Who is this book for? Software is at the core of so many of the tools we use today. Nearly everyone uses social networks to communicate. Many people have internet connected computers in their phones, and most office jobs involve interacting with the computer to get work done. As a result, the demand for people who can code has skyrocketed. Countless books, interactive web tutorials, and developer boot camps promise to turn ambitious beginners into software engineers with six-figure salaries. This book is not for those people. It's for everyone else. Nice, nice. On its own, this book won't turn you into a professional software developer any more than a few guitar lessons will make turn into rock star. But if you're an office worker, administrator, academic, anyone else who is coming for work or fun, you will learn the basic of programming so you can automate simple tasks such as these. Nice, 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 nice. These tasks are simple but time consuming for humans, right? There's one trivial aspect that there's no ready-made software to perform them. Armed with a little bit of programming knowledge, however, you can make computer. Oh, okay, nice. Nice. And then move to the section who is for. Let me watch Vastav recommendation now. How do you approach teaching? I started a part-time a while back. It is new. I'm able to manage, but what's the thing I need to take care of? Patience. Teaching requires patience. That's the number one thing you should. Yeah. You have to know that you understand the technology, you understand whatever you're talking about, but kids don't. And you have to have patience to teach them. That's all it takes. Bye, algorithm soft. See you later, bro. Don't spend your time on what a trained monkey could do. Make an AI using Python. React video. Wow. This is such an old book recommendation. I was told to read this in 8th grade. Alright guys, it is 3 p.m. now. 2 hours of coding, 1 hour of React content. Okay, fine. Good enough. We will continue tomorrow, 12 afternoon. See you then. Krishna Kanahaiya. I think you're from my YouTube live streams. Yeah. Let me be your manager. Can you describe what have did today on stream? GST project. The description box on YouTube has the GitHub link, bro. It's just the setup that we did today. 20,000 subs by April, I hope. Maybe. We don't know. I don't know. The subscriber number doesn't matter to me, bro. If I wanted subscribers, I could. I'm telling you, it is so easy to make videos where you talk about the things that people want to hear on a mass level. Done. Easy. Boom. 20,000. I can even get to 200,000 if I want to. All I have to do is just talk about the things that people want to hear. Like you will get jobs or you will not get jobs. Throw the money thumbnail at people and I'm gonna get subscribers. I know I will. But why? Just why? Don't want to do that. Yes, from YouTube. See, I remember my people and you guys are my people. You just are. I remember all of you. I know that Pepe please. I don't know what that is. I know that you don't want me as a content creator, just me as a content creator. I mean, you can go to any other content creator that you want. And me as a content creator, I don't need you guys to stay here. I can always create videos that can cater to a newer audience that will be with me. So there is a sort of an agreement between you guys and me that we are here for each other. People on this live stream and me on this live stream. We have this agreement, unspoken agreement between us. And I would rather have that rather than creating videos that will cater to a newer audience each time. And then me begging for likes and shares and subscribes. No, not gonna. True. I personally like this environment where we have sensible audience and a good banter with you. See? And so do I. I like hanging out with you guys here. That's all it is. So I don't really give a damn about new audience. Maybe you guys will get jobs and you will be busy in life and then you will forget about me. And then I see the dropping, the drop in views and maybe that will kick something in me to start something once again. Bro escaped metrics. See? Why didn't the emoji show up to you? Pepe emojis. It didn't for me as well. Skill issue, bro. Skill issue. Both of you. Do you watch Bengali movies, Tamil movies? Bro, I don't watch any movies. I don't watch anything, really. I should mention this. Better Call Saul. I'm gonna watch that TV series. I'm gonna download it, keep it in my phone, and just play episodes on it. Because I accidentally, if you see my YouTube algorithm right here, you can see right here, Breaking Bad and Better Call Saul. So now this has entered my YouTube feed now. And I have watched Breaking Bad obviously, but I missed out on Better Call Saul. So I'm gonna download this and I'm gonna watch it. It's the same thing as Breaking Bad, the same environment, the same people, the same everything. How did I miss out on this? I don't know. Already watched it. Have you watched Breaking Bad though? Yeah, I have. In college time itself. Like what, 8 years ago. When I was in MCA, I watched it. Only you are in whole YouTube community, that is good. No one will ever forget you. Thank you, bro. To be honest, I watch only your stream. Thank you, Neon Toots. And then there's me who has been binge watching Cobra Kai since yesterday morning. Cobra Kai is also a good one. But right now, number one priority on my mind is Better Call Saul. I'm gonna watch this. Bro, read my message. Bro, you have said so many things. Where are you? Have you ever visited Gorupari? We have a house there. Gorupari. No, sorry, bro. Where is it? Maps. Is it Goru Pahadi? No? Gol Pahadi Mandir. Nah, that's not it. Yeah, and I think even Suits has a spin-off. At least seasons 1, 2 if I remember right. It's way slower though. It's better. Oh. One question is there, is ragging in BTech or BCA college? I disapprove of ragging, bro. I really don't like the practice of it. In MCA, there was a practice with our seniors that they would call juniors up and they would be like, tell us your name, where are you from, blah, blah, blah. And when my batch got to that level, we ended that practice. We were like, nah, leave the students alone. It's all right. Hey, blackout singing sessions. How do you have such clarity and confidence in life? I think it is because of you guys. I got it. Thing is that if you watch my videos 2 years ago, in 2022, when I was posting on YouTube, I was in this rut of asking for likes and shares and subscribes and blah, blah, blah. After I received 19k subscribers from my video, that's when it hit me like, why be in this race? Like, why do I have to attach my value on the subscriber number that I have on my channel? I don't give a shit anymore. I'm gonna say what I'm gonna say. I think I'm not for everybody. I think I am a little radical extremist when it comes to criticizing creators for what they say or criticizing anybody that what they do on YouTube. But I have come to realize that I am not for everybody. I will never be a mass YouTuber based on my behavior that I have right now. Yeah, but if I wanted to be somebody that I'm not, sure, I could be that person. I could just follow what everybody else is doing and just do the same thing, and yeah, I will get the subscriber number or the audience that I want. But nah, I would rather be who I am. It didn't appear. He gifted me Miku skin and was enlightened in life. Like, you are not. Hey, I am bored doing job. Should I do? Should you do what, bro? Now the emojis and yeah, started appearing. Do you at least see this emoji? Rare parrot, rare parrot. Now your emojis have started working. Samiran Kulkarni, please explain. Vaikun, Human Centipede, I have watched it. Don't try to be, sneaky. I have watched the movie. And honestly, like really, no cap, it's not as gory or horrible that people make it out to be. Sure, the concept is messed up. Sticking somebody's face to your butthole and then your shit like travels like that. Sure, it is horrible. When I saw it, I was like, this isn't nearly as horrible as I thought it would be. Have you watched JAV? What is JAV, bro? The most horrible movie that I have ever watched is shit, I forgot the name. Most horrible gory movies list. Scary movie, Hereditary. Megan is missing that one scene is messed up. Frontier, Splinter, Egg, The Girl Next Door, Serbian film. I have seen it. Yes, concept wise, it is messed up. Yeah, I would give it good ratings. The Woman I Spit on Your Grave is an amazing movie. Amazing. Loved it when I saw it. The Orphanage, Gutterball Grave Encounter. Where is that movie? That one movie that I saw where they literally kill a turtle on camera and they show it. Cannibal Holocaust. Cannibal Holocaust. There you go. Cannibal Holocaust. This is the movie. Yeah. This is the most horrible movie I've ever seen. Cannibal Holocaust. It literally made me want to take a shower when I saw this. And this movie was actually sued in court because they argued that you really killed people for this movie. And they literally had to recreate all the stunts and all of the practices in front of the courtroom to prove that it's just stunts. It's not real. Have you watched Boys? No, The Boys, no. Completely missed it. Hills Have Eyes was gory as a kid. Oh. Japanese audio video. No, I haven't seen it. Don't Google it. Okay, I'll Google it off stream. Samiran, please let me know what are you really asking here. Have you tried Gemini? It's the most regarded one for sure. Regarded or retarded? What do you mean? Do you know what though? I really like Grok. Something that I did not think I would say about Grok. I like it. How do I query assets of a theme using Shopify GraphQL API? Do you know what though? I like how this is saying things here. Assets. Oh, messed up. I think I like it. Okay. 2023-10 is stable as of early 2025. Messed up. No. 2025-01 is the latest stable one. Anyway, I'm trying to shift to Gen AI jobs, but there aren't much. Oh, Gen AI jobs. Warn me about typing return. What the fuck are Gen AI jobs? I don't know either. Do you watch Doraemon movie? Might have seen it long ago, but not anymore. Anyway, Final Destination, sure. Sure. Yeah, so bye guys. This is it for today. I'll see you. Akshay, very bad timing. Yeah. Just walked in and I'm about to end the stream. So yeah, can you please invite any of your data science friend over and you both do a video. I'm waiting for Technical Suneja, bro. Technical Suneja does a podcast with me. Then yeah, I'm open to doing more type of videos like podcasts and all. I'll invite Colin for a video. I don't care. And I'll invite one of you guys for a podcast if you are willing to do it. G Demon 1 would be a great one. Great guy to bring on. He's been talking a lot of shit on Discord. I'll make it a roast session for GE Demon. Okay. Anyway, dressed in Miko skin. Yes. Anyway, Akshay, sorry that you just walked in. I'm about to end this one. And yeah, that is it for today, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, now I know that I'm still here on Twitch. So bye Twitch viewers. Bye bye.